So I'm going to go into Google Docs. I'm going to go right here to these 9 squares. I'm going to go down to calendar. And I'm going to calendar the weekly discussion board. I'm going to put weekly discussion board. I'm going to change this because it's going to go for an additional, so this will be week 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will be the end date, August. I'm going to put that the discussion board needs to be due. I'm going to put 10:30 just to be, no. I want this to be 10:30. So I'm just going to change this a little bit so that I know I need to have that done. And then I'm going to go down to more options. And I'm going to repeat this weekly on Thursday. I'm going to add a notification. I'm going to add, let's see, one day prior. And then after that, I'm going to, I don't know why this does this, but I need to adjust this. And I'm just going to put does not repeat. And I'm going to save that. And so then you'll see that it ends on this date. I'm going to go back. And so today's Friday, so I'm going to put in here knowledge check due date. And that's today. So it's week 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will be my last one. I'm going to add a notification one day prior. I'm going to put my notification at 6 p.m. because that's usually when I'm home from work. And I'm going to save that. And then the next thing I'm going to do on August, on the 19th, Sunday, I have the virtual group project due. This is just one day, does not repeat. A notification, I'm going to put one day prior, and I'm going to also put that at 6 p.m. I'm going to save that, and then here I have July to August, all my classes scheduled.